Here I am, with my butt cheeks in the sand. I mean my feet, that's immature, I'm sorry. That's dick in my microwave and hey, you should switch that note. And hey, why don't you play something else? It's nice to meet you. Why don't you push more than just one fucking key? I mean, God, it's like I'm in a room with a fun dipshit. And I'm speaking literally, please play multiple keys before I tear off your arms and stick them up your butt. Jesus Christ. God, I hate kazoos, but not as much as I hate you. You make me fart my mind out of my mouth. That may make not much sense. Just how I can't use proper grammar in my sentence. Think I'm gonna go eat some